I can't see. Hurry up.
He's pulling. Okay, I can't.
Don't fucking move.
Got the gun. Close fire.
Open the door. He's reaching.
He's reaching.
Let me see your fucking hand.
Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm gonna tase you.
On February 18th, 2026, a routine traffic stop in San Marcos, California escalated into a deputy-involved shooting after officers stopped a red Hyundai Sonata for a vehicle code violation. Bodycam footage captures the moments leading up to the encounter as deputies investigate the stop, and the situation rapidly unfolds into a critical incident.
All advice. Hi guys, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Good, ma'am. Do you have your driver's license
I
on you?
do. I'm looking for it actually right now. Oh, there.
Are you from New Mexico?
Yes, I'm from
So
New Mexico.
I don't know much. Sorry, one of the reasons I stopped you is your third brake light is out.
Is it?
Also, the license plate returns to a different car.
Yes, it does. So I have insurance on this car.
Okay.
If you want to see it? Can I show you?
Well, how come this?
So I need to transfer the registration on this car. So the license plate needs to get transferred now on this car. I just put insurance on this car.
Okay.
Because I just bought the car not too long ago. So.
Okay. Did you So you bought it in New Mexico?
Yes.
Do you live here now though?
Yes. I come and visit a lot out here. So
Okay,
I have
you have
like
family?
that stays here in San
Okay.
Marcos and stuff.
Where's your family live?
Well, they live right there in the Hidden Valleys, right there by Richland.
Okay.
It's called, so.
All right. Do you have any ID on you, sir?
I just changed clothes, bro. I think it's in my other phone.
Let me show you.
Why don't you get some pizza before it closed?
Okay, let me show you my.
Go ahead.
Sorry. There you go.
10-4.
There's the insurance on this car for the Sonata.
Give me 1 second. My dispatcher's talking to somebody else.
Okay, take your time.
Not even Poland. Can I give you a VIN number? 5 Nora, Paul Edward Boy, 4 Adam Charles X-Ray, David Henry, 509103. Try it out at New Mexico first.
Thank you, sir. Go ahead.
Affirm. Can you roll down the passenger side window for me?
Passenger side window doesn't roll down.
Oh, he can just open the door then. Can you just open the door for me, man? Oh, so it does go down?
Yes, this one. Oh, I thought you said the back window.
No, I said the passenger side. Can you spell your last name for me, sir?
Chapman, C-H-A-T-T-O-N.
Can you speak up for me? It's loud out here.
C-H-A-T-T-O-N.
T-T-O-N.
Yes, sir.
First name?
Massa, M-A-S-S-A-H.
M-A-S.
M-A-S-S-A-H.
And your birthday?
11-4-84.
Just hang tight for me for a minute, okay? Hey, stop reaching around, dude.
I'm not doing nothing, bro.
Stop
Chill.
reaching around.
God damn.
Leave the window down.
Just talking to her.
Open the door. He's reaching.
He's reaching.
Let me see your fucking hand. Let me see your fucking hand. Can you break that window?
Unlock the door. Stop reaching.
Paul 1 at gunpoint. Stop fucking reaching! Stop fucking reaching! Get your fucking hand out! Get your fucking hand out! Show me your hand!
Stop reaching! Show me your right hand! Show me your right hand! What? He's got a gun. He's
Gun?
got a gun.
Take your hand off the fucking gun! Take your hand off the fucking gun!
That gun. Get your hand up. Hey, drop that gun. I will shoot you in your head.
Stop! Don't do nothing stupid.
I
Paul
will
1, he's
shoot
got a
you
gun.
in your head.
Hey, stop!
Take your hand off the fucking gun!
Okay. I didn't do nothing. Why are you pulling me over?
Hey,
not pull that
Cronto,
gun.
get out of the crossfire.
Stop. Okay, no, Jack! Stop, please.
Do not move that gun.
Okay, I'm doing
You have a gun. Just let me know. I don't want to shoot you.
Stop,
You have a
please.
gun.
No, I don't know.
Do not move your hand.
Drop your phone, get your hand on your
I
back.
see the magazine. It's a tan gun.
Okay. Hey, I got this. Can you break this window?
Me?
Yeah.
I got a good angle right here. I'm not doing it.
Got a hole punch?
Can you break that window, Cronto?
Front?
This window.
Do not fucking move that gun. I will fucking shoot you. Drop your gun. Drop your gun. Drop your gun. Now. Drop it right now. Drop your gun right now. He's pulling it out. I'm gonna fucking shoot you. I will shoot you.
Take your hand off that fucking gun!
Fucking shoot you. I will shoot you. Drop that gun right now. Drop that gun right now.
Go ahead. Take your hand off that fucking gun now! I can't see. Hurry up, Cronto. I can't see. Hurry up.
He's pulling it out. Okay, drop. I can't. Don't fucking move. Got the gun. Don't. Drop it.
do it.
Drop it. Don't do it, man.
Stop.
Don't do it.
Stop. Please stop.
Don't do it. I'm gonna tase you. Shots fired. Show me your hand. Stop reaching. Show me your hand. Show me your right hand.
Get your hand up.
No.
Show me your right hand.
Stop.
Come
Stop.
out. What, he's got a gun.
Jack.
Drop that gun right now. Drop that gun right now. He's pulling. Okay, I can't. Don't. He's reaching again. He's got the gun. Don't. Drop it. Drop it. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. I'm gonna tase you. Shots fired. Hey, back up. Get on the other side.
Take your hand off that fucking gun now! I can't see. Hurry up, Cronto. I can't see. Hurry up.
He's pulling it out. I can't see. He's reaching again. He's got the gun. Don't.
Hey, tase
Drop
him.
it. Drop it. Don't do it, man. Don't do it.
Tase
Don't
him.
do it. I'm gonna tase you. Shots fired.
Following the incident, deputies rendered medical aid until paramedics arrived, but the passenger, Andre Rafael Mendez, died from his injuries. The deputy-involved shooting remains under investigation as authorities continue reviewing the circumstances that led to the fatal encounter.